Hi, I am Stacey M, the Melanin Principessa, and welcome to my channel. So you want to start making money online? You want some ideas on how you can start making money online? Stay with me and I will share 12 with you today. Thank you for staying with me. So before I continue, I'd like to take this moment to just remind you to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with persons that you believe will benefit from the information shared here. Feel free to leave me a comment down below, and you can always connect with me on any of my contact details listed in the description box. So let's jump right into it. Now, given that these income generating options are online, they are available to almost anyone across the world. One way to start making money online is to teach a language. Are you particularly versed in any language or languages? Then you can teach that language to persons wanting to learn on italki.com. The requirements are minimal, and there are even options for persons that do not have a degree. Another way to start making money online is to become an online seller. You can choose to sell new and used products on websites such as Amazon or eBay. These platforms or websites are already well established, and you can therefore join their programs almost seamlessly. There are various options available on these websites that includes even assisting you as an individual with getting your products shipped to persons who show interest in making those purchases. Another way that you can start making money online is to become a virtual assistant. Do you have skills in transcribing or data entry or research? Then you can offer your services on the Fiverr website to businesses and individuals looking to get these services. Another way you can start making money online is to become a social media manager or email manager for small businesses. Again, you can offer this service on Fiverr. You can also look for persons on Fiverr that are seeking to outsource these services. Another way you can start making money online is to become a writer or editor. Are you versed in the English language and are creative? If yes, then you can offer your services as an editor, or you can offer to write short stories or articles. Again, this is a service that you can offer on Fiverr. You can also search for potential buyers looking to outsource these services. Another way that you can start earning money online is by creating a blog. So what you can do is to find a topic area with which you are familiar, one that you are knowledgeable and passionate about, and you can create and structure a blog with those details. Of course, you'll be required to create a website. There are online resources that can assist with this. Some of them are at no cost. For example, Wix.com. Another way to start making money online is to become a dropshipper. Now, dropshipping is a retail option where you, the seller, is not actually required to have the products that you are wanting to sell on hand. Once the order is placed with you, then you would reach out to a third party from where the item would be shipped to your customer. This type of business does not necessarily require a website at the start. You can offer the products on various social media platforms and utilize informal payment methods. If, of course, you are going the route of creating a website, then you can utilize Wix.com to help with creating a website for this purpose. Another way to start making money online is to offer your services as a graphics designer. If this is an area in which you are skilled, then you can offer your services on websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. Now, graphic designing can be quite lucrative, as almost every business would require some level of graphic designing. to assist with promoting their product. These persons, however, may not have the skill or the time to get this done and may likely outsource to get them done. You as a graphics designer can even utilize free websites such as canva.com to assist with creating the designs. Another way to start making money online is to complete surveys. Now, while this option may not necessarily make you rich, it is definitely an option that can assist with generating income that can be used towards anything. An example of a website on which you can do surveys and get paid is Swagbucks. Another way that you can start making money online is to offer your services as a resume or curriculum vitae writer. Now, you may find it odd that you can actually make money in this area. However, there are persons coming into the working world often and needs help with creating that kick-ass resume that can help them with landing that dream job. Again, this is a service that you can offer on Fiverr.com. There is no cost to advertising your services. A percentage of what you earn from a completed project would of course, however, be charged by Fiverr. Another way that you can start making money online is by creating a vlog. We are living in the social media age where we capture on film or on video a lot of our daily activities. Why not share these videos with the world and make some money? Another way to start making money online is to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is basically you promoting someone's product or service to help them with generating sales or traffic. Now, this is something that we do naturally every day without even realizing. We promote other person's products and services, so why not do it to make some money? Some of the highest paying affiliate programs are with Wix, Fiverr, Amazon, and eBay. So that's it for today. I am sure you can start using one or more of these options to start generating an income online.